Hi, this is Rick here, SellerMetrics, and I would like to talk about a new features that I'm going to be released called the Sponsor Ranker. So, as Amazon PPC practitioner, you would know the importance of rank number one for your keywords, not only organically but sponsored results, right? As we know, Amazon takes precedence for sponsored keyword results than organic results. So that means that your sponsored keywords results will show up above any organic results. So it's very imperative that you are winning those spots, particularly for your hero keywords. So what Sponsor Ranker does is that we automatically would look into your keyword results and find the ASIN that you're bidding for in your campaign and keep automatically bidding up until you reach your desired target rank on the sponsored keyword ranking, right? That's basically the overall logic. So how we do this is that you're going to click on Sponsored Ranker Campaign, select the particular accounts that your campaign, your keyword is located, and then the underlying campaign. And keep in mind, you can only select keywords only, and it's only going to be exact match type that you can select. So let's try this keyword. And then on the fifth part, the ASIN, all the ASIN within the ad group will show up, right? So basically all your advertised ASINs under ad group will appear, and basically the system will scrape the ASIN that appears for the keyword first. So if you have multiple variation, it's basically the first variation that shows up under the search results when the scraper is scraping the results. Your target rank, so you can pick 1 to 5 or whatever your desired rank, and it would try to aggressively target that particular sponsored rank. Bid limit, this is how much of a bid you're willing to tolerate before the system stops, right? Basically, this is a guardrail. Let's just say my max bid is 3.2. Your campaign is added, right? So you can see my sponsored campaign here. So what my system do, right? SellerMetrics do is basically we will look into the results of this, right? Just pick a US address. And as you can see, our sponsor rank for this is actually very low, right? So I think it's recommended that your sponsored rank currently is within the first few pages. If it's too far back, the sponsor ranker will ignore it. So basically, the sponsor ranker will look at all these sponsor results, scrape them, and then if you're not showing up within your SP ranking target, it will keep upbidding the keyword until you get your desired results. So obviously, when you do this, you want to be very selective because your ad spend can increase significantly if it's not constantly monitored, right? And your bid limit is not properly set. For each users, you're allowed up to 5 sponsored keyword slots, right? And if you need more slots, you will need to reach out to me for additional slots. And a few things to note, that on top of you're only allowed to select exact keyword match, the sponsor ranker function will only function 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. the local marketplace time zone, right? So if it's UK, it would only function at 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. GMT time zone. And if you see the row gray out, it means that it's currently the campaign is paused, whether the Dayparting is making the campaign pause or you have paused the campaign yourself. We also have like a chart for you to track your sponsored ranking in your organic ranking. So you could see how the campaign plays out in terms of results, whether the sponsor ranker is helping your sponsor rank, because as we know, your sponsor ranking has an effect on your organic ranking as well. So if your sponsor rank is high on a long ongoing basis, the logic is that your organic rank will follow as well, right? And you just want to get not just the sponsored sale, but also your organic sales. So that's the main idea behind this particular function. As always, I will always be there to help for any issues on this function. So if you have any additional questions, additional feature requests, please feel free to reach out to me at admin@sellermetrics.app.